What is up, guys? Thunder Bassing back. This is my first video in I think 2 years. I'm 14 now. And I decided that today I wanted to make a video because I was just going back through all my old videos and thought might as well just do it. It was funny too because I bought a GoPro, and I know it's just a GoPro Hero 3, but it's still better than my other camera that I had. That was so bad, and my video quality was terrible. Anyways, today we're going fly fishing in a small creek and a small pond by my house, and we're gonna see if we can catch anything. Yeah, so I'm really excited to just be making videos again. And once I can drive, which I know is turning 15, so I actually can't drive until I'm 16 legally by myself. So basically, that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's just we're just going to be fishing. Once I can drive, I'll drive to ponds, and I'll be able to do that. But right now, we can only do what we can do. Sorry, I'm walking through some deep stuff in shorts. I'm scraping up my legs. Well, we made it down to the pond, so we're gonna switch to the GoPro. This is the pond, by the way. Pretty small little pond, but see ya. Alright guys, on the GoPro now, we're going to start. I'm using a little dry fly. We're going to see if we can get one. Right off the bat, we're just going to start. We're going to start shallow. That was a fish. Just so you know, I'm new to fly fishing. So any of y'all who want to criticize me in the comments, this is like my second time fly fishing. Alright guys, caught our first fish, finally. Oh my gosh. This is how small he is. That is super small, man. That is some good bait. That is some good bait for a bass. As you can see, that's the fly I'm using. Not big at all. Any bigger and I wouldn't be able to probably catch these fish. Alright, we just caught a second one. Finally, guys. We finally caught one. Another one. Number 2, guys. Number 2. It sucks. I could have filmed my trip in Colorado. Just got back from Colorado today. I was out there. Wasn't actually fishing very much, but it was a fun trip. The last day of spring break, evening before I got to go back to school, and I just was thinking, I gotta make another video, man. Dang. There we go. Number 3. Number 3. These are so small. Hopefully I'm thinking that After catching some small ones, the big ones will come in. Since everything's schooling up and it's like kind of like a feeding frenzy. I'm hoping. Oh my, that was another one. Alright, we're getting better. We're getting better. Oh, hit. Oh, I told you. A bigger one would come out. Hold on. Oh my gosh. That is a nice size one. That is a nice size. Hopefully it's not on the lens. Sorry about that. Fish juice in my mouth. Ugh. Ooh, that was a big hit. Alright, sorry. Oh, I shot another one. Wasn't paying attention, of course. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get a big one. Ooh, okay, that wasn't a bad size one. He swallowed it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Man, the bigger the more freaking feisty they are. I'm just trying not to get poked. Jesus. Come on now. Almost dark fishing. Definitely a feeding frenzy. Definitely, this fly right here definitely represents what they naturally eat out here. It's like the closest thing you can get. It looks like a little fly, like a bug that would just land on top of the water. And there's so many of these things flying out here tonight. It's like the most perfect imitation. And they are biting it every single time. Little, big. Gosh, bro. I wish y'all could. Not a bad one, guys. Not a bad one. Another pretty good one. Ooh. Another nice one. Dang. Oh yeah, that is a huge one right there. That's the biggest one of today. Huge fish. Look at that bad boy. Dang. I don't even know what fish that is. I stopped counting. Ah, another one. Look at that. We go from the biggest fish in here to the smallest one. They all came in close. Camera for y'all. Look at them. They're schooling up. Jumping out of the water. Oh, saw him. Saw the bigger one eat it. He inhaled it. Alright guys, I just had a blast out here catching all of those fish, and I don't know how many I caught. I'm gonna have to count on footage because that was a crazy amount. We caught some big ones and we caught some small ones. I was using this right here, little fly is what I was using to catch this. It's beautiful out here. Look at this sunset on the pond, calm waters, and now it's getting dark, but I want to leave a little bit before dark because I know that there is a creek that flows through here. And the creek, I don't know if it has any spots that could hold fish in them, but if there's any small fish in there, I'll be able to catch them, hopefully. So we're gonna walk back through all this. It's some thick stuff when I'm wearing only freaking shorts. Probably should be wearing pants because my knees are all screwed up now. But yeah, it's crazy. This is right in my new neighborhood because the last time I made a video, I was living in Pflugerville, Texas. Now I live in Georgetown, Texas. I don't even live in the same place. So it's definitely changed since the last time I made a video. And yeah, so the creek is over this way. And we're gonna see if we can catch something on it. Alright guys, about to be the creek down over here. My brothers are behind me making a video as well. I don't know what they're making it about, but I'm gonna go to the GoPro now. Alright guys, we're on GoPro. Hopefully y'all can see right. But it looks like I did find a little pocket of water down here that can hold fish possibly. I haven't got close to see, but we're gonna see if we can go ahead and hook one. But this is very similar to trout fishing, what I'm doing, because it's a really small body of water, so that means that they are gonna be spooked pretty easy here. Hopefully I can get one though. If there's any fish in here, they are going to be the smallest fish. They're gonna be smaller than any of the ones we were fishing for over there, because, yeah, so, gotta be quiet. See if we can sneak up on this hole. Oh yeah, I see some fish down there. I see some fish. They're spooked. They're creating a dust cloud down there. I've scared them. Yep. I'm not going to be catching any of these things probably. Unless I can cast into that. Yeah. There's more creek this way, but it's getting dark. I think I'm gonna walk right on over here to where I think there might be more water. I'm not sure if it's fishable or not, but we're gonna walk over there. It's about to get dark. It's getting cooler outside. Bro, what are they doing?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No.
Besides whatever that is going on over there, there is more water. But I'm going to be quiet because I don't want to spook them. I'm going to get one more fish for you guys before the video ends. I really do. I want to get one. Freaking fly fishing on is so loud. Now we're caught. Alright, let's see if we can get one over here before it ends. Ooh, this is definitely not that safe. Oh yeah, there's fish. Yeah, there's fish. I'm gonna walk over this way. I did hear some footsteps over here though. Something was walking. Probably, yeah, there's coyotes out here. For sure. These footprints. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video for me. I had a blast today catching all those sunfish, bluegill. I couldn't catch anything in that creek, surprising, because I saw two, I don't know, decent sized fish. They probably were panfish on the bank, and I spooked them and I tried fishing for them. I just walked up that small part of the creek, and I'm sure it keeps going. Anyways, looks like a nice creek, and I plan on bass fishing it because pretty good habitat. It's kind of muddy. I haven't been here because I just got back today, but I'm pretty sure it did rain today or a few days before, so it is muddy. I'm pretty sure that creek's usually clear. I can tell by how just the water looks. There's some structure, so I'm probably gonna go bass fishing there at some point, and hopefully I can record that, get that on video. And I'm sorry if my video is not the best, because I literally have not recorded for 2 years. I've done nothing with my channel. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you liked the video. Like the video and subscribe. I'm trying to build my channel. Thanks for watching.